everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am Micaela Cruzado, a B.Ed student of Marinduque State University. Today, I am very excited to take you on a virtual trip to the beautiful Philippines, where we will explore the incredible arts and crafts that reflect to the rich culture and the creativity of the Filipino people. From intricate weavings to vibrant pottery, there's so much things to discover and to explore in our province or in our country. So what you are waiting for? Grab your bag and let's dive in. From my hometown, the province of Marinduque, let's travel to the different places in the Philippines. Now, let's travel in Ifugao province. It is renowned for its breathtaking rice terraces and exceptional weaving. The Ifugao people create beautiful textiles, often made from indigenous materials like cotton and abaca. Their traditional patterns tell stories of their heritage, community, and nature. These woven pieces are not only artistic but also serve a practical purposes. The hand-woven cloth, also known as inabel, is used for clothing, bags, and various household items. Be sure to check out their vibrant color palettes and unique patterns when you visit the Ifugao province. It's truly a testament to the skill and dedication of the Ifugao weavers. Moving on, let's discover Pampanga. Renowned as the culinary capital of the Philippines and also home to beautiful crafts, particularly in the iconic parol or lanterns. It is made during the Christmas season. These colorful lanterns are made from various materials like bamboo and plastic, illustrating creativity and resourcefulness. Here is the example of the Christmas season in Pampanga last year 2023 with their famous parol lantern.
Sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Nasa ating lahat. May sigat ang bawat pusong bukas. Sa ilig ng mayakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat.
What's fascinating is how every work or every artisans add their personal touch to the design. Some incorporate intricate beadwork or paint, making them unique masterpieces. If you are in Pampanga during the holiday, attending a parol making workshop is a great way to immerse yourself in local traditions. Now, let's head to the Visayas region. Famous for its stunning beaches and rich cultural history. One of the most iconic crafts here is hablon. It is a traditional hand-woven fabric from Iloilo. Hablon is made from various materials like pineapple fibers and cotton. The patterns often represents the local flora and fauna, creating a colorful tapestry of culture. Hablon isn't just a clothing, but it represents the identity and the pride of the Ilonggo. And speaking of pride, every January, the Sinulog Festival in Cebu City celebrates the patron saint with a dazzling design of color, music, and dance. The festival often incorporates the Hablon fabric.
Sugod na sa sinulog kitang tanan mangpit senyor.
Senyor kang lolo kini, senyor kang lola kini, senyor kang tatay kini.
Finally, we are in our last destination, which is the Mindanao region. Mindanao region is also known for its diverse indigenous cultures. One standout crafts here is the Calamansig woven crafts. In the ARMM region, you will find out the beautiful textiles and crafts made from the materials like buri leaves. Buri weaving is not just a craft. It's an ancestral skill passed down through generations. Each piece tells a story of an artisan's heritage. The artisan also create vibrant, hand-painted products like the Pangalay, a traditional dance costumes that showcases intricate embroidery and intricate beadwork. These costumes are an essential part of the traditional celebrations, often reflecting on the artistry and the cultural narratives of the Tausug people. What an incredible journey through the arts and crafts of the Philippines! From the intricate woodwork of the Luzon to the colorful textiles of the Visayas and the unique weaving of Mindanao. Each region tells its own story of culture, history, and creativity. If you ever visit the places in the Philippines, make sure to take home a piece of this vibrant heritage. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your favorite crafts in the comment section. Until next time, bye!